Giovanni Afflick finding the winner this evening. First of all, how you feel because that celebration was special?
I feel very great because we know who was going to come back, but shocking, it's shocking, very shocking.
What's your assessment of the team performance today?
Yeah, I would like give it a 7 out of 10 because we didn't play as up to par as yesterday in training. Yeah.
So what's your assessment of your performance today? Do a lot of running. You feeling tired?
Yeah, and I have muscle contract, so you know we run hard.
Jay, trust me, I've not seen you in the game basically all day. The only time really I see you is when you pounce on that goal. How do you feel running for the entire 75 minutes without having the type of game you normally do?
I did it last year. I know I could do it this year. I was just waiting for it.
You're waiting for it. So you have gone 5 goals. What can we expect for Giovanni?
A lot more to come. I'm not going to say like last year because I didn't get it, but more to come.
More to come. Congratulations.
All right,
Yeah.
Let's up there.
Thank you.